The Bharatiya Janata Party had on Wednesday held another MSC-wise peace and development rally. After Bhoksang, Danarong and Arnam Langpi, the BJP conducted the event at Hanjang Langsu under the joint initiative of the Borjan, Sarupathar and Bokajan MSC Mandal committees. The program was attended by KAAC CEM Tuliram Ronghang, MLA Dr. Numol Momin, Dorsing Ronghang, Rup Singh Teron, MP Horan Singh Bey, several EMs, MSAs and hundreds of party workers. The main aim of the event was to highlight the various developmental works done under the BJP regime in the KAAC and to seek people's support for the upcoming elections. Speaking at the occasion, MLA Dr. Numol Momin charged upon the Congress party, saying that there was rampant corruption during their regime. He said that the BJP party under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi had removed corruption and tremendous development is taking place in every sphere.
Karbi Anglong Raise, Punarbar Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Amar, Hompurna Pe, Sabista City Amam Jitamo. Kiano, Agadi Apologation, Development or Namat, Poisa Hai Pala. Congress or support the Dawan Neta, Bharat Porkor Prakton Pradhan Mantri, Rajiv Gandhi Pasil, Ekho Taka Jadi Pothai Dia Hoy.
KAAC CEM Tuliram Ronghang had spoken at length on the various infrastructural developments taking place across the district under their party's government. He also said that his government is committed to provide more jobs to the youths and also providing road connectivity to every village in the district.
Difu pen, dak badak, doboka pen dak, Demapuran, kuti pharoi sira, kuti drognar kebra nar keb, 188 crores. Demapur pen, holadak, Gorompani, Atwaran, Karbi Anglong borderan, 147 crores atangka don manglitum. Suryajan pen, Haladak Dilayatwar 42 crores don maliatum. Dipu pen Manjagdawatwar Chehlat Topik non Tuar Mesenlo Dakapatiar Kutik Batanga don maliatum. ECCL Sports Complex Kutik Kep 260 crores long truck don maliatum. Non Dehuria Dak Dwar Bauria Consensiason Hoda Gulaghat Kedai Dahil tum Degree Government College Longelo Don Malitum Chengbom Lonon Richard Tokbia Consensi.
The CEM also reiterated that BJP will continue the fight for implementation of Article 244A and they are pressurizing the state government to introduce a bill in the Assam Legislative Assembly. He had also urged the people to support his party in the upcoming MSC elections.
Karbi Anglong Forest College আমি পাইছো Karbi Anglong কারণে হোটেল ম্যানেজমেন্ট আমি পাইছো ওয়েস্ট Karbi Anglong সুগার মিল আমি পাইছো সুগার মিল প্রায় 2000 কোটি মান হ'ব এটো আমি পাইছো লগতে আমি ডিফু আৰু ডিমাপুৰ এয়াৰপোৰ্ট লৈকে এটো ফুল লাইন ৰাস্তা আমি পাইছো আৰু এয়াৰপোৰ্ট পাইছো আমি এই গোটেইখিনি আমি সেন্ট্ৰেল গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট পৰা আমি পাইছো বিশেষ আসনি এইটো আমি পাইছো তাতে 16 আমাৰ পাইছো আৰু অসম চৰকাৰৰ পৰা 21টা আমি পাইছো এইবিলাকৰ কাৰণে আমি আদৰণি কৰিছো কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ পৰিৱৰ্তনৰ স্বাৰ্থত কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ ডেভেলপমেণ্টৰ পূৰণ কৰা স্বাৰ্থত তেওঁলোকে শান্তি চুক্তি কৰিছে তাৰ কাৰণে আদৰণি
Anand Terang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live.